How to remove yourself from a Facebook page. If any day you would like to remove yourself from a Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on Facebook on your mobile device. After that, an interface like this will open. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top and you have to go to the profile section. If your page update option is showing, you have to go to the option of Snow. And then you have to go to the option of page settings. After you go to the option of page settings, you will see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to check whether all the options are available or not. If all the options are not available, you have to update your very application of Facebook. And if all the applications are available, then you have to proceed forward. After proceeding forward, now you have to go to the option of page status. After tapping on the page status, you'll see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of manage admins. After you go to the manage admins, you can see the various admins there and you can see your own name as well. And after you see your own name, you have to go to the three dots on the right side and then tap on that. And after you go to the three dots on the right side, you'll see an option of remove. And when you see the option of remove, you have to go to the option and tap on the option of remove. And this way you can remove yourself from the very Facebook page. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.